Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Advanced Tool Creation for Agents. Equipping your AI with custom superpowers. Imagine an AI that doesn't just answer questions, but can actually do things, like booking a flight, sending an email, or looking up real-time information. This is what we call an AI agent. Its core, brawn, a large language model or LLM, is great at understanding and generating text, but to perform specific actions in the digital world, it needs specialized tools. Think of it like giving a superhero custom gadgets. We're equipping our AI with custom superpowers for specific tasks. For a developer, an AI tool is simply a piece of code, usually a function, that performs a specific, well-defined task, while an AI's brain can understand what "check the weather" means. It can't magically do it. A tool is the bridge. It's a small program that your AI can call or execute to interact with external systems. Like a weather API, a database, or an email service. It takes inputs, like a city name, and returns an output, like the current temperature. Why not just ask the AI to do everything? Because general AI is good at general tasks. For specific, precise, or real-world interactions, specialized tools are essential. If your AI needs to access your company's unique product database, or interact with a proprietary internal system, you must build a custom tool. It's like having a general-purpose chef versus a pastry chef for baking a cake. The specialist is better. Custom tools make your AI an expert in your specific domain. As developers, building a tool starts with identifying a specific need. For example, my AI needs to be able to look up today's news headlines. This need translates into a function. Idea, _get_news_headlines. Topic, This function will be a self-contained piece of code. It will need to take some information as input, e.g., a news topic, and produce some result as output, e.g., a list of headlines. The AI won't write this code. We write it. Once you have the idea, you write the actual code for the tool. This is just a regular function in your chosen programming language, like Python. For our _get_news_headlines. Topic, example. This function might make an HTTP request to a news API, parse the JSON response, and return the relevant headlines. The key is that it performs a single, specific action. We also create a description for this tool, telling the AI its name, what it does, and what inputs it expects. After coding the tool, we register it with our AI agent framework. This means we tell the AI's core system about our new superpower. We provide the AI with the tool's descriptive information, its name, e.g., news_reader, a summary of its purpose, reads news headlines for a given topic, and a list of parameters it requires, e.g., topic, a string representing the news category. The AI doesn't see the code. It only sees this description. When a user asks a question that matches a tool's description, the AI decides to use that tool. Let's make a price checker. 1. Need. *I needs to tell users the price of products in our imaginary store. 2. Tool idea. *a function *check_product_price. Product_name. 3. Code. Simplified Python. Def check_product_price. Product_name. str. To float. Prices equals widget 19.99. Gadget 49.99. Doodad 5.00. Return prices.get. Product_name. Lower. None. 4. Connection. Asterisk we tell the AI, I have a tool called _check_product_price . It takes a _product_name as input, a string, and returns the price, a number. Use it to find out how much products cost. 5. I in action. Asterisk user asks, how much is a widget? Single quote. The AI understands the intent. Decides to call _check_product_price with widget. Gets 19.99 and tells the user. With this foundation, the possibilities are endless. You can build tools for almost anything. Sending messages, managing calendars, interacting with cloud services, running complex data analysis scripts, or even controlling IoT devices. By equipping your AI agents with custom tools, you transform them from mere conversational partners into powerful, active participants that can automate tasks, retrieve real-time data, and significantly extend their capabilities in the real and digital worlds. You are giving your AI truly custom superpowers. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.